Assalamu alaikum everyone. Now I'm going to explain you the electrolysis of copper 2 sulfate. This electrolysis, this is the third topic of this O-level chemistry 5070. In this topic we will discuss about the electrolysis of copper 2 sulfate by using carbon electrode and by using copper electrode. So first of all, a little explanation about this carbon and copper. So carbon graphite is a reactive electrode. They are inert. They will not react. And copper is a reactive electrode. So after that, we'll be using this carbon electrode over here and here. This is anode, this is cathode, and this solution is copper 2 sulfate solutions. So now this copper 2 sulfate solutions over here, the same mechanism will be here. Like they will also ionize here this in copper 2 ion, sulfate ion, copper sulfate, and this is the water ionization, hydrogen and hydroxyl ion. Now all the positive ion cation, they will go towards cathode, and at the cathode this copper will take part in the reaction, because before this we have uploaded another video in which I have explained these things, that due to ease of discharge of ion, so in that ease of discharge of ion list, this hydrogen is above and copper below, so down its reactivity will increase, like copper will react first. So that's why copper start reacting with and they have taken 2 electrons, and copper will be deposited over here at the cathode. Like for example here from the solution, copper goes out and they goes towards the cathode, and over there they are deposited. They have gained their 2 electrons and they are deposited over there. Now at the anode there are 2 types of ions, sulfate ion, hydroxide ion. So over here the hydroxyl ion will take part in the reaction, is according to that ease of discharge of ion list. Before this we have explained these things, that sulfate will not take part in the reaction, sulfate and nitrates. So hydroxyl ion will react. So when hydroxyl ion react, so they will lose the electron as they have gained the electron, so they will form water and oxygen. So at the anode, oxygen gas will be released over here at the anode, and over here the copper will be deposited. So the size of this cathode will be increasing. This cathode size will get increased, and over here from the solution the copper will be this copper, they will move towards the cathode, and over there they will be deposited over there. So now here one observation you will observe, that the color of this copper 2 sulfate is blue. So when the copper, when it comes from the solutions and they will deposit it over here, so the color of the solution will be disappear, it will be fade away, it will become colorless. So this is all about electrolysis of copper 2 sulfate by using carbon electrode. Now next thing, if we use the copper electrode, which I told you that this is the reactive electrode, it will react during this chemical reaction, this electrolytic cell. So what will happen, again I am writing here, just like here I have written that all of the ions over here also. So the copper, so one difference between this electrolytic cell and this one, over here this anode will get oxidized, this anode will get dissolved, this anode, they will come to the solution in the form of +2. Like look over here, this is anode, it will dissolve, this is a solid state, it will come to the solution in +2 form. Then from this +2 copper to from the anode, it will goes towards cathode. Look over here, this is the copper anode. So what will happen, they will come to the solution by loss of the electron. So this copper will come towards cathode because this is negative. So copper will come to the cathode, and over there they will gain electron, and it will be deposited over here. So there will be no change over here in the solution. Just the copper ion from the anode, they will go towards the cathode, and over there they will be deposited. So therefore this process is also, another name of this process is called electroplating, which also one of the topic of the O level. After this we will explain. So this is also called electroplating, but there is some rules for the electroplating which I will explain inshallah in the next video. So now over here the color of this solution will remain changed. There will be no change in the color, because the solution have the same +2 and sulfate ion. So that's all about the copper 2 sulfate by using carbon and copper electrode. If you have any queries, so please write down in the comments box. Thank you.